Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And as I said yesterday, we got something interesting today. We got this Cheetos mac and cheese, cheesy jalapeno. I am on a 10-minute time budget. You take the lid off. You take out the sauce sachet. And you fill to the line and you microwave it for 3 minutes. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. That is what's happening right now. So there we are. This over here. So 3 minutes. Alright, and there we go. We're rolling on full auto. And quickly, our Momofuku Ando Speaks quote of the day. This is a book of quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. Number 91. The expectation that a company can grow infinitely is misplaced. Just as none of us live forever, everything has its limitations. I wish investors really could handle that, but it's kind of how it works, you know. Things don't get better and better and better and better and better and better. Sometimes you have to strangle small children. But yeah. Alright, I'm back. I had to silence a small, crazy child. But, yeah, that's the third one coming up, and it's about done. I hope it doesn't explode all over the microwave. I put it at 70%. It's a 1250 watt microwave. It doesn't say anything about wattage on the container, which that always makes me go, I don't know. Crossed. But when it's done, you stir it, and then you add in the contents of this odd sachet. Stir it up, and you're good. You know, cheesy jalapeno rotini. Even though it says mac and cheese, rotini is not macaroni. Go on Google, type in define macaroni, and it'll say hollow tube. Do I want to have a debate about it? No, I don't. I don't, yeah. This ain't Reddit. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, that means business right there. Okay, it's stirred. Oh, I really like the light white text on the light green background. Way to go. That's one thing. I mean, there should just be an automated best practices of colors for text and backgrounds, because not everybody's got great vision, except apparently for anybody who's running graphics for these companies. I mean, God, the worst one, Hormel chili. What do? Black text on dark red. It's like, do you realize that you have a huge swath of your clientele that can't read your packaging, and every time they see that, they hate you? Oh my God. But what do? Do they bitch about it? No, because they can't see. What are you going to do? Make it so they can see? No, but you could make it like the contrast a little bit better. Make it white on dark red. Or make it, I mean, dark red, that's kind of like the chili thing, but... Alright, this is a tiny little thing. It just reeks. I mean, it just stinks of jalapeno cheddar Cheetos, which honestly, that's my favorite flavor. But they don't make small bags of it, so I never get them. Alright. It's kind of soupy at first, but it does congeal. This is much like the one that I did previously that's in the box. It's the same deal. There's no much like about it. I'm gonna add in, we just had Thanksgiving. So I've got some turkey breast. Lovingly. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. There we go. There we go. We got turkey. And the saucy rotini. In here. And then, I'm not done yet. No, 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 sir. Okay, kids, where's the... I'm gonna add some pepper flake. No. First, we're gonna add some... Ooh, it's cutting it close. There's some spring onion, some pepper flake. The rotato action on this is going to be like 1 second. I hate to say it, but her class is in 3 minutes. And a little bit of, what are they calling this? Ground Parmesan? Yeah. Grated. It's great. Alright. There you go. Quick rotato session. Alright, that's about all I got time for. This has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.